What's up, everyone? It's been a long time, too long, but I want to do some creek fishing. Haven't done fishing in who knows how long, probably like 6 months. Probably have to go back to look at my videos. Hopefully the water isn't too cold. It is currently 75 degrees here in North Austin. Beautiful day. Had to come out. Rocking this Veritas. I think it's 6'6" medium. It is a little bit, too heavy for these types of fish, but I'm rocking a little crappie jig. I had all my crappie stuff rigged up, but I can get tons of little panfish on these trout magnets. So kind of use this crappie little jig, see if I can get some bigger fish. So let's get to it. These bass do not want to hit anything at all. But it's a beautiful day. I've been seeing some good sized bass, but for whatever reason, they're not interested in anything. This is where I caught my Guadalupe bass one time. Oh, I caught one, finally. Caught a fish. Not completely skunked. There's this little bluegill. Look at that, pretty fish. The little bluegill. Didn't get skunked. Pretty fish. Thank you for not letting me get skunked. You get a kiss. Well, no skunk. This video is not complete. Dead video. Oh, got another one. Oh, look at this one. Yeah, it's like, I think it's a sunfish. Oh, couldn't show it. Try to show the camera all the pretty colors it had. He had caught another one. Nice little fighter. Another sunfish, I think it is. Maybe this one will... Ow. Look at this. Look at the colors on this fish. Look at that. The blue. Spunky little ones. Oh, this one, look how pretty this one is. Nice orange color. Calm down. I'm gonna let you go. Wow, look how pretty this one is. Look at that. The blue, some orange, some green. Pretty fish. Look at that. Man, I love this creek. Even though the bass aren't working, these little panfish, little sunfish, really pretty to look at. So hopefully I make it down here without falling on my butt. In the summertime, it's a great place to come. Bring the dogs, go swim, some music, some beer. You can't beat this, and it's literally a mile away from my house. I love this spot. I love this creek. Hopefully it stays a hidden gem, even though we got all these people moving out here. Caught one. Oh, look at that. Caught a bass. I think it might be a Guadalupe bass. I think this is a Guadalupe bass. Look at that. Guadalupe bass. I've been wanting to catch one all day. It ain't big, but I'll take it. Look how pretty that bass is. Look at that. Pretty, pretty fish. Those eyes, like yellow. Such a pretty fish. Look at that bass. Whew, whew, whew. Not big, like I said, but it's a bass. Let's let this little girl go. Hell yeah. I mean, I didn't get skunked. Caught some pretty sunfish, but catching those bass makes it so worth it. I think it's a Guadalupe bass. Don't quote me on it. Might be a spotted bass. I don't know. But I think it's a Guadalupe. Got another one. Oh, this is probably the best one of the day. Yeah, it's probably the best one of the day. Probably about the palm size of my hand. Nice fish right there. Another one. Nice pretty one. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I don't even know if you guys caught that. Nice pretty green color. Orange belly. This water is cold. Caught another one. Oh, is it a bass? It is a bass. Hell yeah. It's a bigger one. It's a bass. Second bass of the day. There we go. I think it might be a Guadalupe. This is a little bit more distinctive. I think it is a Guadalupe bass. A baby Guadalupe bass. Look at that. Look how pretty. Dang, these fish, these bass are pretty. Look at, maybe palm size. Pretty, pretty fish. Look at that. Pretty bass. Makes it all worth it. Let her go. See you later. So it was swimming like right along that rock. Pretty, pretty fish. Oh, this one's a fighter. I thought it was a bass. The way he hit it, dang. Oh yeah, I thought this was a bass. Calm down. Yeah, I thought this was a bass. This might be the best little sunfish of the day. We can get this out. There we go. Yeah, this might be the best one. Best sunfish of the day. That one hit it hard. I thought it was a bass. But yeah, I thought that was a bass for sure. Until I saw, I was like, oh man, it's just another little sunfish. But he hit that one hard. Best fight of the day on that one. Throw a couple more casts over here. See if I can get more of his buddies.